What is up guys, Stand at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text over images and GIFs. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in card.co or you can just simply type in card and then you will be redirected to the official website of card wherein if you are new, you will see the option of start with beginning or some take your first step. Click on that and then you will be able to sign up with your email password and other credentials to create your new card account. But if you already have a card account, click on open dashboard and then you will be able to open your sites dashboard wherein you have kept all your sites. From that, choose the site that you want to edit, and after that, this type of page or dashboard will open wherein on the right side at the top you can see this add an element plus icon. Click on that and then click on gallery. Now, after coming to the gallery section, you need to click on the add icon and you need to upload your design or the GIF or the image that you want to edit. Now, click on accept here when you upload an image, and after that, click on this appearance section. And now from here, you will see the alignment of your caption, but before the alignment, you need to come back here to the main gallery section, and from here, you need to write the caption, and whatever caption you would like you can write it, and then uh, after that come to the appearance, and then in the alignment section you can set up your alignment of your caption and your image. In the appearance section, click on captions, and in the style section you can see there are multiple styles of bottom. When I click on bottom, as you can see, this hello that I written in my caption has been came to the bottom, and when I click on top it has came to the top, and when I click on center it has came to the center, and when I click on full it is full of my caption. When I click on none, it will not appear. And when I'm done, I'll just simply click on this done icon. And then as you can see, my image and my caption has been saved. So this is how you can add text over images or GIFs in Card. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.